So, I've been looking for an alternative to the Apple Pencil, which I found very expensive, and I found this pencil on ball.com. It's called the Achaté Active Pencil, and what I'll do today is unbox it and give it a very quick demo in less than 3 minutes. So let me see if I can open the box. How does it work? Oh, maybe like this? Oh, yeah, very simple. So, here it is. It feels pretty good in the hand. There is a button on the top to turn it on and turn it off. Apparently you don't need to activate it via Bluetooth, you just need to turn it on and it works. Let's see what's below the plastic. I see we have a USB cable that you can connect to your computer and the other cable that you plug on top of the pen. Pretty straightforward. And okay, I see you also have some extra tips that you can put on top of your pen. So, let's take a look at how it works on the iPad. So, as you can see, it moves very smoothly. And you can do also some features of the iPad allowing you to test. So I'm writing the word test and it's automatically detected by the iPad. Now let's go and try to make some notes. So make a new page and then I'll just take down some notes that I'm taking. So 1, 2, 3, and the feeling is pretty good. You have it in your hands and you can draw very, very easily. Let's see, yeah. It reacts pretty well. Let's change color maybe. Connect the points together. Yeah. So I think this might be a good tool to either screen share or take notes during meetings. So the pen is priced at $27.95. It's way more cheaper than the Apple Pencil. It works well and has nice packaging. So go and check it out. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And looking forward to seeing you the next time.